Okay guys, this is what you see when you're standing outside of my room. And this is what you see when you initially first walk in. I'm going to do an overview. I'm going to close the door because my roommate is sleeping. But I guess we will start just from this side. So I spent a lot of time trying to decide what I wanted the theme of this room to be, and I would say that it's like a glam, definitely a glam girly theme. My tones were like light pink, gray, and white, and then obviously a lot of the pieces in here are mirrored. And I'm going to be linking everything that I got down below. Some of the things were from HomeGoods, so you could go there, and I'm gonna link some really helpful tips that I found while decorating this room. So starting with the bed, my bedding is the Portia collection from Pottery Barn. I got it on clearance. For the duvet I got for, I want to say $50 or $60, and it is this beautiful light pink silk bedding. It is so comfortable. It's actually considered a quilt, and it's super comfortable and nice during the night because I don't get too hot in it. I just have some throw pillows. These are just cheap throw pillows. They're from Target and HomeGoods. Nothing special. These are my what are these called? I can't remember. I got them from Joss & Main. I'm going to link them down below. They're a lot bigger than I had anticipated. I do like them a lot, but they're just super big. And then the bed itself is a full-size bed. This is the Charlotte upholstered tufted bed from Joss & Main. I'm going to link it down below. And again, this is the full size. And as you can see, it has the beautiful studded detailing all the way down, and it's considered a wingback bed because the wing comes out at the bottom. I'm obsessed with this bed. I did so much research on it while I was trying to decide what kind of bed I wanted. I knew I wanted a tufted bed, and I had heard such great things about this one. I'm so happy I got it. I did have it assembled when it arrived. It was pretty easy to put together, according to the guy, and it's super sturdy. I know it's going to last a long time. I absolutely love it. Again, this is a bed. It is not just the headboard, as you can see on the bottom. It is all one piece, so I love it. I want to say it was $600 or $700, but the price was fluctuating. I was watching it for a few weeks online, and it was very much worth it. It's a great bed. Moving on to my nightstand. This is also from Joss & Main. I kind of wanted to try and get everything from one website. At the time when I was buying furniture, I didn't really have a lot of time to go out to the furniture stores and look, but the time that I did have, I spent online. So this is the nightstand. It was actually very affordable. It was only like, it was either $129 or $149, but it has 2 pull-out drawers. I just keep like random things in there. And then on top of the nightstand itself, I have flowers from HomeGoods, candle from HomeGoods, my phone, lamp from HomeGoods that I'm obsessed with. It's like this beautiful diamond looking detailing, and then like a beige lamp. This mirror is from Nicole Miller, or it's by Nicole Miller. I got it from HomeGoods, and I want to say it was $100. It was very affordable, and it absolutely completes this look right here. And then down here I have this little marble waste bin, which I absolutely love. This was also from HomeGoods. It was only $20, and it's super convenient to have right next to my nightstand. This rug is from HomeGoods. It's just this little rug. I'm definitely not going to keep this for very long. I just wanted something because, I don't know, I hate walking just on bare carpet. And it's fine for now, but I'm definitely trying to find a super nice big fox fur sheepskin rug. And then moving over here from this angle, this is my full-length mirror. It is actually from a store called Kirkland's. I'm not 100% sure if it's a chain or it's just one here in the DMV area, but it is a full-length mirror. I was gonna have it mounted, but to be honest, I really like how it looks just up against the wall like this, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep it. And I'll show you guys the detailing on it. It's super pretty. It's like metallic, and the best part about this is that I got it on sale for $75. I was looking at full-length mirrors, and I had a feeling I was going to end up dropping like $200-300 on one. My biggest tip to you guys for mirrored stuff, especially because the price fluctuates so much with it, is to actually go into the store and get a gist of the mirrored furniture, the mirrors and everything, if that's the look that you want, because the price honestly fluctuates a lot with it. I got so lucky with this mirror. I absolutely love it, and it saved me a ton of money. So definitely don't just go and buy one online like I was gonna do. I would go and try and check out some places. I know a lot of people had recommended Lowe's and Home Depot to me because apparently they have great full-size mirrors, but I found this one before I ever had to go there. So, moving on to my dresser and TV area. I got this dresser from Joss & Main. It is the Candace 6-drawer dresser. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I am not a huge fan of this dresser. I made the mistake of not taking measurements of this room before I moved in. So I had done the walkthrough, and I thought that I was going to need a small dresser because I didn't think there was going to be enough space for the Pier 1 Hayworth mirror dresser that I was originally looking at. I was wrong. The Hayworth one would have fit perfectly here, and there would have been ample space to walk around, and I should have gone with that one. Instead, I got this one. There's not any particular problem with it. It is a beautiful dresser. I'll do like a full 360. The feet are mirrored. It comes completely made. You just have to put the feet on it, which is super easy to do, and the knobs. And I actually put these knobs on myself. They are not the knobs that came with this dresser. I went out and bought my own from HomeGoods, and they're just like these beautiful distressed knobs, and I put them on myself. So like I just said, there's nothing wrong with this dresser, but for me, I actually wanted to use the dresser for a lot of my workout stuff and a lot of my shirts. The problem that I have with that is that the drawers, first of all, they don't pull out the whole way. Secondly, they're not very deep in general, so it makes it very difficult to fit the smallest amount of stuff in there. If you were just planning on using this for like swimsuits and underwear and bras, it's great. I didn't have that intention to begin with, so that's why it doesn't really work for me. I still love it. It's a beautiful piece though, and it was around $700 online. Moving on top of the dresser, I have this candle from Anthropologie. It smells amazing. I'm obsessed with candles. These are my flowers that I got for Valentine's Day last year, so they have a little bit more time of life before they die. I have some picture frames I need to put stuff in. This perfume tray is from HomeGoods. I have this little vase thingy from HomeGoods that I keep like my headphones and chargers and things like that. I have some Hermes boxes for decoration, which I think are so cool and so different. Then I have my TV mounted on the wall, nothing crazy. And then this lamp is from HomeGoods as well. This was another piece that I lucked out on. I got it for like, I don't know, 60, 70 bucks. And it's just this beautiful crystal silver mirrored lamp. And it really does make all the difference. The lighting in this room was absolute crap before I got this lamp, and I love it. Over here I just have this little picture frame thing. I was gonna put pictures of my friends and I, but I haven't gotten around to printing any of them out. And then let me do a quick overview again of this side. So this is my little vanity. I got this vanity on Amazon. It was only $150. The ghost chair is from Amazon as well. It was $50. It came made. I love this chair. It is such good quality for the price. It's phenomenal. My ring light is from Amazon as well. I love it. I use it every time I do my makeup. My makeup has improved so much since then. The acrylic bin is from HomeGoods. They have a ton of these. I would not recommend buying one online. They're just overpriced. And then up here I have this little board that I was actually initially going to use to hang up pictures of makeup inspiration, and it's kind of just turned into hanging up some jewelry that I've recently been buying that I need to remind myself to wear. I love the white detailing on this, or the studded detailing on this. It's so cool. And I got this from HomeGoods. It was $25. These are my curtains that I'm absolutely obsessed with. They are from HomeGoods as well. They're like this beautiful suede, almost like metallic white cream color. And I love how they just fall onto the floor. These are the 98-inch ones. I wanted them to fall on the floor. The first ones that I got weren't falling on the floor. They like stopped right there and it was bothering me so much. So I went and got a new pair. These are from HomeGoods. They were only $30. This chair is from HomeGoods as well. And it also has this studding detailing on it. It's like this gray, beige, and white fabric, and I really did like it in the store. When I got home, the only thing that I didn't like about it was how dark the legs were on it. I wanted to get an ottoman so I can put up my feet and do some homework here. Sometimes when I'm feeling a little bit lazy, that's my laptop in the little sleeve. The pillow is from Target, and the blanket is from Pier 1 Imports. So I like this little section. It's super cozy, and I actually do sit in this chair and check my email and stuff sometimes, so it's super nice to have. This is the exact same dresser that's on the other side. It is also from Joss & Main. I got everything that I got from Joss & Main. I just did in one big order, and it was super convenient because it all pretty much came together. On top of the dresser, I just have some fashion books, a candle from HomeGoods. This little time glass thing is from Pottery Barn. The lamp is from HomeGoods as well. Everything over here is the same as the other side. And then the mirror is from Nicole Miller, or by Nicole Miller from HomeGoods. So yeah, that is pretty much my room. I'm obsessed with it. I do think that there's a few more things that I'm going to end up adding to it, such as curtains on this side, just so that everything can kind of look symmetrical. And then I might try and put something above my bed in the middle. I'm not 100% sure yet, but just some thoughts. I also need to still get the ottoman for that chair. And yeah, that is pretty much my room tour. Oh, and a new rug. So once I make all those changes, I will let you guys know. I'm going to try and link every single thing that I have in this room down below. Like I said, the HomeGoods stuff is, you have to kind of go in the store and shop around, but they always have these signature pieces like the mirrors and the lamps that I have in here. They always have those in Home Goods, so I would just recommend to go and check yours out and see what they have. I really hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. If you have any questions at all, please leave them down below and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.